Today we're going to be talking about how to hang an acrylic calendar on your wall. Now, we think that acrylic calendars can be both beautiful for your home decor as well as help organize your family. So stay tuned for the tips and tricks that we have for you that are going to help you hang yours correctly today. It's our mission to help you save more so that you can do more both in your home and anywhere else that you happen to go. So hit that subscribe button and the bell to make sure that you are notified every week that we create some great content that's going to help you. Before we get started, you'll want to gather your tools. So you'll need a level, a drill bit, screws, anchors, a hammer, washer, and nut and spacers. And we'll talk about what types that you can buy a little bit later in the project. So the first thing that you want to do when you're going to hang your acrylic calendar on the wall is to determine where you want it on your wall, how high. Just some tips. I'm 5'2", so I didn't want it so high that I couldn't reach all the way at the top, but I also didn't want to be scratching below. So I eyeballed it. I don't think there's an exact, but once you do determine where it is, you want to kind of mark it right at the bottom, right at the top, just so that you know, that's where we're going to have it. So now that you've determined how high and where it is going to be on the wall, two things that you want to think about. First, prep your wall. Make sure it's the color that you want, that there aren't any nicks or scratches or anything behind it, because you are going to see that through the calendar. The second thing that you want to think about is if it's got a span more than, I would say, 2 feet or so, if it only has 4 drill holes, I would consider doing a 5th and a 6th midway, maybe even a 7th and an 8th, just to make sure that it has a solid surface. I've found that I only did it on the 4 corners. You can see there's a little bit of give here, and I would fix that if I were to do it again. This next step, you need a buddy. Have the buddy hold the acrylic calendar on the wall. You're going to take a pencil. You're going to mark where the holes are, however many that happens to be. And you want to make sure that you put the level up against the side and at the top, just to make sure that your calendar is level. Nobody wants to be looking like this. So make sure you use that level and drill not drill yet. Sorry, that's too soon. You want to make sure you mark it with a pencil where you are going to drill in the next step. Now that you have your pencil marks on the wall, you're going to take the acrylic calendar down and you're going to take the right drill bit that correlates with the screw that you're going to use. I used a normal everyday wall screw, and I used just a nut that I found at our local Busy Beaver. You can go as fancy or as simple, as expensive or as inexpensive as you want on this step. But the point is, make sure that the drill bit, you're gonna drill your pilot holes. Now, before I married the left brain, I would be like, well, why do you have to do that? When you're going through drywall, you want to make sure that you do a pilot hole, which then you're going to put an anchor in, because this does have some weight, not a whole lot, but it has some. But especially if somebody were to come over here and like clip it, which we've had backpacks catch on this and things like that, it could tear the drywall and then you have to really patch it up. So that anchor and being in kind of helps make it nice and secure and steady so that doesn't happen to you. So make sure you drill the hole. You want to make sure that the drill bit is slightly smaller than the screw that you are going to use in order to anchor your acrylic calendar to the wall. If you are unsure of which anchor to use for your project, there are anchor packs available that have a screw included that can help you determine which one is going to be best for your project. So check those out. Now that you've drilled all of your pilot holes, you're going to take the anchor and you're going to push it into the wall, and you're going to slightly tap it in order to get the anchor flush with the wall. It doesn't want to stick out a little bit. You want to have it flush, so when you rub your thumb up against it, it is flush with the wall. So make sure your anchor's there. Tap it in lightly and let it get right to the wall, and then run your thumb up against it and make sure that it's flush. After you install the anchor, now's where the fun begins. So have your buddy come back, have them hold the calendar up on the wall and start wherever you want. I started down here just because I'm right-handed. And you want to, and I'm just telling you what I did to build it out. I put a washer, and then I put a nut, and then I put another, then I put the acrylic calendar there, and then I put the washer just to kind of frame it against the acrylic calendar. So then I put the screw in and put it up against the wall. Now here is a trick. Don't go really fast, because as I learned the first time doing this, I cracked my acrylic and I had to cut off like 7 feet or 7 inches. I really would have liked that extra 7 inches. So make sure that you go slow as you're drilling in, and then stop, and then you might even want to take just a hand screw and just do the last little bit, just so that it's tight and snug, but yet not too tight against it that causes little cracks. So then you're gonna go around the acrylic calendar and you're gonna do however many screws that you have. You're gonna make sure, and again, I liked the washer on the outside because I thought it framed it up a little bit. Now here's a tip for you. When I first did it, I just had a washer, and then I put the screw in. I had a washer on the outside so that it was flush against, not flush against the wall, it was like slightly out, a washer's length out from the wall. But what I found was, because it was acrylic and because it was an entryway where there's moisture outside the door and there was, you know, temperature difference, I found that the acrylic was a little too close to the wall, and therefore it would stick sometimes. And you can see right here, the paint definitely came off the back of my wall. When I said that you can see all the different things back behind your wall and whatever step that was to prep your wall first, well, once you've prepped your wall, if you don't take the step to kind of push it out away from the wall, whatever that is for you, what I found was sometimes a bug would be in there and I'd be like, yeah, I got it. And then I couldn't reach up to get it. So that's why we went back through and did another washer so that there was some space. So that is just a little tip. Again, you can see back behind this, so you want to be able to get your hand back in there. You don't want to always be having to take it back off and put it back on. So once you've gone and you've done your washer, you've done your nut, you've done your acrylic calendar, you put your nut on, you put your screw in, you've done that to all the different areas, you are ready to go. You have properly hung your acrylic calendar on the wall. Now, if you do not have an acrylic calendar yet, please make sure that you look at the link below if you're interested in making your own. We have a quick mini series, a mini course that we show you how you can make all of the different designs that are custom to your house, both with shape. You can also do it with color. You can do it with different organization of how you want your acrylic calendar to look. So make sure, again, you look in the description below to see if you would like to make your own custom acrylic calendar. When you customize your acrylic calendar, again, make sure that you watch the thickness of the acrylic calendar. That is going to determine what kind of washers and hardware that you use. So ours is thin. I bought it at a local hardware store for less than, I think I've spent around $30 for both the hardware and the acrylic. And as you can see, it is kind of flexible. But for me, I wasn't sure what I was going to do in the area, so I was okay with a budget friendly. You could make this as expensive as you wanted, your budget. Just, I wanted to keep the weight of the acrylic calendar in the back of your mind as you're shopping for the hardware. And this is a little tip. Once it's on your wall and you've prepped the back, it's all good, and you're getting ready to write on it, you're writing on it for months on end. This is now 4 years been hanging in here, and we use it monthly. We love our acrylic calendar, and a lot of people, as they come through, I teach piano lessons, they'll look and go, oh, I see that you're, and they know what's going on with my schedule. So it's just a fun conversation piece as well. But I wanted to say this, when it comes to cleaning, and this is totally a tip, so, and we'll have more tips for you later, but you can wipe it off with your finger for sure, but I've found that a little bit of alcohol rub on a cotton ball or on a paper towel, if you just wipe it off, it keeps it nice and pristine, so that, again, we talked about organizing your life, but also making it a home decor piece. So here's another little tip for you. The edges of acrylic are sharp. So as you're determining how far out you're going to be, just keep that in mind. You also could, for your home decor, making it customized to your kitchen or to your area where your family's going to be, or your office, whatever that happens to be, you could do a frame around this in order to stop. I had big plans for this when I originally did it, which is why I left it like it is, and then I just haven't done it yet. So who knows, that might be a future post, but for today, I want to make sure that I encourage you that if you want to make your own custom custom acrylic calendar, please look at the link below. We would love to help you in those steps. We have a very small mini tutorial that you can check out that can help you with that. And if not, we're glad that we could help you with hanging it in your own kitchen or wherever it happens to be. No matter what season you're in, it's so nice to have a home decor piece that can also help us with our organization. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's episode on how to hang an acrylic calendar on your wall. If you know somebody who could benefit from this, would you mind sharing it? Hit that share button. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe as well so that we can stay in touch with you. So we'll see you soon.